Hello, I'd like to introduce you to a new mower in the Cobra garden range. This is the MX5604SPB, which is a really sturdy, large rotary mower that will make a brilliant job of mowing large lawns. So what we'll do is have a look at some of the features on it. We've got to start with the engine because it's got this really powerful Briggs Stratton engine. This is one of the easy starts and it is really powerful. So it's designed for not only easy starting, but longevity and lots of strength there, lots of torque. So large lawns are not a problem for this at all. As I mentioned, it's got a 22-inch cutting deck there, and we can mow in various ways with this. It's what we call a 4-in-1, which we'll look at those methods in a minute. Steel deck here. It's also got this bar at the front, just gives it a bit more robustness. If you happen to bump into a wall or anything, it protects the mowing deck. You can use this sort of in a semi-professional way for big, large lawns if you want to. Height of cut is adjusted just here. So we've got 6 different positions here, ranging from 25 millimeters up to 75 millimeters. So short or long grass, the mower can cope with it. So this mower has 4 different ways that you can mow the lawn as well. So traditionally, we'll probably use a grass collection box like this, which just lifts on and off very, very simply. It's got mesh sides on it, which allows for good airflow from underneath the deck. It's also got a little flap there, a little indicator that flaps on the top here. That tells us that the airflow is going through. It's taking the grass clippings into the box. When it stops flapping, it means it's full and we can empty it. So that's a really good feature. Saves us having to keep checking to see if it's full or not. We fit that very easily. We just lift the flap at the back and it simply sits over some plastic lugs there. That's great for collecting. If you don't want to collect, there are other methods. You can simply just lower the flap without the grass collection box, and it's got some little lugs at the top that prevent it closing completely together. And that means that if you're mowing some grass, a little bit rougher grass, you're not looking for a knee to finish, it's just to get it down, it will throw the grass out of the back and it will be deflected by this cover here, so it doesn't shoot everywhere and it spreads it out. So that's method 2. Method 3 is to use what we call a mulch plug. So the mulch plug is this piece of plastic that will only fit in one way. So hold it by the handle and it slides into place and it locks into this hole here. And to get it out, we just basically then need to squeeze the handle to get it out, put the flap down, and that stops the grass blowing out and it does the mulching process underneath. And lots of mowers have these now. It's a really good way of mowing. It saves us having to collect the grass clippings. That fits into the back, the hole through into the deck there, and we just slide that and click that into position. What happens is then we cut the grass. Instead of it being thrown out into the grass collection box, it chops it really fine underneath the deck, and then it blows it down into the cover of the grass there. Where it rots down, it releases nitrogen, helps to keep your lawn nice and green for longer. The secret with mulch mowing is, firstly, don't mow too close, so don't scalp the lawn, and do it little and often, and that way you get no grass clippings, just a beautiful lawn. So mulching is a really good thing to do. And then the other thing you can do, if you've got longer grass, maybe around trees, fruit trees, a little orchard, or if you've created a little meadow area and you want to cut it down at the end of the season, you can use what we call a side discharge chute. So we need the mulch plug to be in position, and then around this side of the mower there is a little hatch at the right hand side. We simply release that by pushing the button, spring loaded, so you have to pull it up, take this, and this little lugs here fit around this steel bar, so just hook it underneath like that, lower the flap, and that holds that securely into place. And then we need to lift the height of cut because we're cutting longer grass, and it throws it out the side. So you've got those 4 methods that you can use to keep all your grass areas in perfect condition. To help keep the underside of the deck clean after mowing, there is also a wash point here where you can attach a hose pipe, and for that to be effective you need the engine and the blades to be going around, and then the water going through just washes off that excess and built up grass from underneath the deck. Starting the mower is very simple. There's no choke, there's no primer because this is the ready start engine, so we just need to pull the recoil just here. We've got a few controls that you need to be aware of. So first of all, this is the throttle on the left hand side. We've got the hare and the tortoise there, so we want that to be maximum for starting. We pull the lever back, pull the cord, and it will run. If we want it on tick over, we can just pull that back, but then of course to stop the engine, we release this lever and that cuts it out. So this one has to be pulled back to start it, and then when we want to propel forward, the back one is the self-drive, so that powers the wheels. It's also got 4 speeds on this one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you select the one you want to start with. If you want to go a little bit slower, while the engine's moving and mowing, you can drop it down one, or you can make it go slightly faster. So it's really versatile and you can adapt it to the different mowing situations. So let's start it. So all we need to do is to pull back this lever, we pull that, and then we can set off. So I've just mown that using the mulch plug, and it's made a really good job. I'm at 1 notch up on the height of cut, and you can't see any grass, and it's made a really neat finish. So what I'm going to do is take the mulch plug out, put the grass collection bag on, and we'll see how that mows. So there we go, with the bag on, it also makes a really good job. We can see, collected it really well, blows it right to the back of the bag and cuts it really, really finely. So what we'll do now is put the mulch plug back in and then the side discharge and show you how that cuts. So here it is, the Cobra MX5604SPB with its powerful Briggs Stratton engine is a fantastic mower for all lawn applications for medium and large lawns. For more information on this mower and all the products in the range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.